It's math time. Let's warm up. Count by tens, get ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now by yourself. Ready, go. Nice job. Count by fives, get ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now you try by yourself. Ready, go. Count by twos. Let's do this one together. Remember, we start with the number 2, then we hop 2 spaces. So that means we skip over one number to get to the next one we say. 4. Start back at 2 and count by twos with me. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Nines and tens. 9, 10, 19, 20, 29, 30, 39, 40, 49, 50, 59, 60, 69, 70, 79, 80, 89, 90, 99, 100. Double time, get ready, go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Make 10. We know we can add numbers in any order. Let's say the friends of 10 and then both ways we can add them. 10 and 0 make 10. Add them both ways. 10 plus 0, 0 plus 10. 1 and 9 make 10. Add them both ways. 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1. 2 and 8 make 10. Add them both ways. 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2. 3 and 7 make 10. Add them both ways. 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3. 4 and 6 make 10. Add them both ways. 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4. 5 and 5 make 10. Add it one way. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Today is reviewing all of the addition strategies we've practiced. You can use any of these strategies to help you with each problem. Remember, the strategies are add with part whole, draw a picture to add, adding 0, add with friends of 10, adding with doubles, add doubles plus 1, add commutative rule, and count on to add. 8 plus 9 equals blank. I know that 8 and 9 are next to each other on the number line because 9 comes after 8. If I picture a number line, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means they're 1 apart. So I can do doubles plus 1. I'm going to start with the smaller number. That's 8. So I write 8 again, and then I turn 9 into 8 plus 1, because 9 is 1 more than 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So I'll put 8 plus 8 plus 1 equals blank. Now I start with a double. That's 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Then I add 1. So I'll bring that 1 down just to make sure I don't forget. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. I used the strategy doubles plus 1. 12 plus 7 equals blank. I could draw circles for this one, draw a picture to add, but I noticed notice 12 is kind of a big number, so that might be a lot of circles to draw. Instead, I'll count on. I'm going to count on with a number line. So I'll draw my number line, and I'm going to start with the number 12. I don't need to write any of the numbers before it because 12 is the first part, and that's where we start. So here's 12. Then I write as many numbers as I can fit. 13, can you count with me? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll stop there. Remember, I can always keep the number line going if I run out of spaces when I'm counting on. Ready? I start at 12. So I'm going to put a star here. But I don't tap this again when I count on. I take my pencil or my marker and I jump as many as the second number. The second part is 7, so I'm going to jump 7 spaces. So we have to jump when we say 1. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I stopped here at the number 19. What number are we on? 19. 12 plus 7 equals 19. 7 plus 7 equals blank. This is the number 7 2 times, so this is a double. I'm going to add with doubles. I know my doubles facts. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I don't need to do anything. I just know that one in a snap. 3 plus 7 equals blank. I know that 3 and 7 make 10, so I'm going to use the strategy add with friends of 10. And now we just know the answer. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 6 plus 5 equals blank. I know that 6 and 5 are next to each other on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When numbers are next to each other on the number line, we can use the strategy adding doubles plus 1. In order to start with that strategy, I have to start with the smaller number. That's 5. So first, I'm going to use the commutative rule to switch the parts. We can add numbers in any order. So instead of 6 plus 5, I'm going to write 5 plus 6. Now I can use the strategy doubles plus 1. I start with the smaller number, then I turn this number into the double plus 1. 6 is just 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So I'm going to bring down 5 and turn the 6 into 5 plus 1. Now it says 5 plus 5 plus 1. Now let's follow the steps. Start with a double. 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Add one more. So I bring down that 1, 10 plus 1. How many altogether? 10 plus 1 equals 11. So we go all the way back up here. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 28 plus 9 equals blank. I'm going to use count on to add because this is a big number. I'm going to start with this big number. I want the biggest number, and I'm going to put a box around it to show that that's my first part. Then, instead of drawing a number line, this time I'm going to draw circles. I need to draw the second part. That's 9. I'm going to draw 9 circles. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we've shown the second part. But remember, when we count on, we keep going. So we have to think 28. The next number is 29. So now let's count on. Think 28 in your brain. Count on, ready, go. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 28 plus 9 equals 37. 9 plus 9 equals blank. This is a double because it's two of the same number. I know my doubles facts. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So that's the answer. 8 plus 2 equals blank. 8 and 2 make 10, so we can use the strategy add with friends of 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 0 plus 64 equals blank. I know whenever I add 0, the other number stays the same because nothing was added. So I'm just going to ignore that 0. 64 equals 64. The number stayed the same. That's how we add 0. Today, you can use any of the strategies to figure out the equations. Remember, you can also draw a picture to add, and you can always draw a number bond to help you think about the parts. Good luck, have fun!